Have you ever wondered how to build an e-commerce website using HTML, CSS, and JS? It might seem like a daunting task, but by breaking it down into manageable steps, you'll find that it's not as complicated as it first appears. Firstly, think about the structure of your site. HTML, or hypertext markup language, is the backbone of any website. It's what structures your content and makes it readable for web browsers. Begin by creating a basic HTML structure with a header, a navigation bar, a main content area, and a footer. Each of these sections is crucial for any e-commerce site. The header typically contains your logo and possibly a search bar. The navigation bar is where you place links to the different sections of your site, such as the home page, product pages, and contact information. The main content area is where you'll display your products, and the footer usually contains links to important information like your privacy policy and terms of service. Next, it's time to style your website. This is where CSS, or cascading style sheets, comes into play. CSS allows you to add colors, fonts, and layouts to your HTML elements. You'll want to style your website in a way that's visually appealing and matches your brand's aesthetic. Remember, consistency is key. Make sure your fonts, color scheme, and overall design are consistent across all pages. This not only makes your site look professional, but it also improves the user experience by making navigation easier. Now, you might be wondering, where does JavaScript or JS fit into all of this? Well, JS is what makes your website interactive. It's responsible for things like drop-down menus, image sliders, and shopping carts. In the context of an e-commerce site, one of the most crucial functionalities you'll need is a shopping cart. You'll need to write a JavaScript function that allows users to add items to their cart, view their cart, and finally, proceed to checkout. Once you've set up your shopping cart functionality, you'll also need to include a way for users to input their payment information and complete their purchase. This is typically done through a third-party payment processor. Lastly, don't forget about mobile users. In this day and age, a significant portion of online shopping is done on mobile devices. Therefore, your site needs to be responsive, meaning it automatically adjusts to fit the screen size of the device it's being viewed on. This can be achieved through responsive CSS. To summarize, building an e-commerce site involves creating a structured HTML layout, styling it with CSS, making it interactive with JS, and ensuring it's responsive for mobile users. Remember, the goal is to create a user-friendly site that makes shopping a pleasant and seamless experience for your customers. Building an e-commerce site might seem like a big task, but by breaking it down into these key steps, you'll find it's more than manageable. So go on, take the first step, and before you know it, you'll have your very own e-commerce site up and running.